Getting the not authorized to join message when trying to enter a Roblox game? Here's a legit step-by-step method to solve it using official settings. No hacks needed. First, you have to sign into your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app or go to the official website. Log in using your username and password. Step 2. Open your settings. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then Step 3. Go to the Privacy tab. Inside your settings, tap on the Privacy tab. Under Contact Settings, you'll see options like who can join you in games, who can send friend requests, and who can message you. Change these settings to either friends or everyone based on your preference. Step 4. Disable account restrictions if applicable. If your account is under 13 or has account restrictions turned on, it might block some game access. Scroll to account restrictions at the bottom of the Privacy tab. Turn it off, since this is only allowed if you're 13 plus or have parental permission. Step 5. Try joining the game again. After adjusting your settings, return to the game and try to join. If everything's set correctly, the error should be gone. Important reminder: never use third-party tools, hacks, or unauthorized workarounds to bypass restrictions. This goes against Roblox's community guidelines and YouTube's terms of service. This tutorial follows only safe and legal methods using official Roblox settings for full compliance with all rules. Now you're ready to get back in the game. No more not authorized to join errors. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.